Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the world of running and exploring how it can help you unlock your true potential. Whether you are an athlete or just looking for a fun way to stay fit, running has something incredible to offer. So, let's get started. The basics of running. Before we hit the road, let's cover the basics. Running is a simple, natural form of exercise that involves moving at a faster pace than walking. All you need is a good pair of running shoes, comfortable clothing, and a positive mindset. Physical benefits. Running offers a plethora of physical benefits that can transform your overall well-being. Here are some of the ways running can make a positive impact on your body. Increased stamina and endurance. Running helps build your stamina, enabling you to go longer distances and participate in sports with ease. Stronger muscles and bones. Regular running strengthens your leg muscles and promotes healthy bone development, which is crucial during your teenage years. Weight management. Running is an excellent way to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. It can also help you shed those extra pounds if you are aiming for weight loss. Mental and emotional well-being. Running not only benefits your body but also has a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Let's explore how. Stress relief. Running releases endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, which help reduce stress and boost your mood. Improved focus and concentration. Engaging in regular physical activity like running can enhance your ability to concentrate, study, and perform better academically. Confidence boost. Setting and achieving running goals can boost your self-esteem, giving you a sense of accomplishment and confidence in your abilities. Tips for beginner runners. Are you ready to start running? Here are some tips to help you kickstart your running journey and make the most out of it. Start slow. Begin with a comfortable pace and gradually increase your speed and distance to avoid injuries. Warm up and stretch. Prior to your run, spend a few minutes warming up with light exercises and stretching to prepare your muscles. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your run to stay hydrated and maintain optimal performance. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any discomfort or pain. If you experience pain, it's essential to rest and seek guidance from a healthcare professional if necessary. Fun running ideas and challenges. Running can be exciting and fun, so let's explore some ideas and challenges to keep your running journey enjoyable. Explore new routes, discover new places and enjoy the beauty of nature by exploring different running routes in your neighborhood or nearby parks. Set personal challenges. Challenge yourself by setting goals like completing a certain distance, beating your personal best time, or participating in a local fun run event. Run with friends. Invite your friends to join you on your running adventures. Running together can make it more enjoyable and motivate each other. As we wrap up, remember that running is not just about physical fitness, it's about discovering your inner strength, pushing your limits, and embracing a healthy and active lifestyle. So, lace up your shoes, step out, and start your running journey today.